I understand where I went wrong now. So it's just jump to bottom, no footer. Jump to bottom. So it should say jump to bottom. And then when you click on it, it should go to copyright cat photo app. So that's as we've done it now. We've got it now. So jump to bottom's the text. So we'll go through that again. So A anchor elements can also be used to create an internal links to jump to different sections within a web page. Create an internal link. You assign a link's href attribute to a hash symbol, like so hash footer, plus the variable of the ID attribute for the element that you want to internally link to, usually further down the page. You then need to add the same ID attribute to the element you're linking to. An ID is an attribute that uniquely describes an element. Below is an example of an internal anchor link and its target. So ahref equals hashtag contacts minus header, or it's ahref equals whatever you want to call it. So inverted commas, hashtag footer in this case, where end a tag. So h2 id equals contacts minus header, that will go to the h2 tag. Contacts, in my case, it will go to the footer. So we've got ahref equals hashtag footer inverted commas with a shift and a key, two keys away for the M, and then it's jump to bottom, and then it's an anchor tag, closing tag. So if you click on jump to bottom, then it'll take you to the bottom of the page because we've got a footer, an ID equals footer. So it'll take you to the bottom of the page when you click on footer. Then you click on jump to bottom, because we've made it, that's the text it's going to read, jump to bottom, and then we need to link it. To link it, we need ID equals footer, because whatever the name is in here needs to be equal the same as the ID. When the users click the contacts links, in your case it's jump to the bottom link, they'll be taken to the section of the web page with the contacts header. In your case it's the bottom of the page. Change your external link to an internal link by changing the href attribute to footer, which we've done, and the text from cat flows to jump to bottom. Remove the target blank attribute from the anchor tag, since this causes a link document to open a new tab, which we don't want, because we wanted to open the same page. We wanted to go to the bottom of the page and no open a new window. Then add an AID attribute with a value of footer to the footer element at the bottom of the page. Jump to bottom. Right, I've done that. Jump to bottom. Unless I'm no. Still not getting out of this. So the A text should say jump to bottom. We all make mistakes, eh? Again. So, we inverted comma and then a full stop. No. Stumped. I'll get there. Right, so. I've got it. Nah. She's doing what I wanted to do, but